What's going on, guys? My name is Wade with Tech Daily, and in this video, we are checking out One More's triple driver in-ear headphones. Now, it's actually been a while since I've done a dedicated video on a pair of earbuds, but I wanted to check these out for a couple of different reasons. First off, you should know that they aren't new. They've been around for some time, but they have sort of a cult following, and I can absolutely see why. These are some of the best earbuds I've used under that $100 price point. They sound fantastic, and they're also some of the nicest looking and feeling earphones too, with some high quality materials, a great design, and an impressive unboxing experience too. If you're interested in learning more about One More's triple driver earbuds, I'll leave a link down below, of course, and One More also has a pretty diverse lineup of other products too, so I definitely recommend checking out what they have to offer. So as far as the unboxing experience, like I said, the packaging and setup here is really impressive, and you feel like you're getting a much more expensive product than what you paid for. On the inside cover of the box, there are these sketches and diagrams of the earphones and an explanation of some of the parts and pieces that are built in. And I know it's just the box, but One More did a great job with this, and it definitely shouldn't go unnoticed. When you flip open the cover, you're also greeted by just about everything that comes with the package. And once again, you can see that all the accessories and things are way more than what you'd expect for earphones at this price point. First up, you get one of the most extensive collections of replaceable ear tips I've ever seen included with earphones. You've got 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14.5 millimeter rubber tips, and 3 different foam tip options as well. And those foam tip ones are the ones I prefer because you can really get a tight fit and help block out the sound when you're listening to your music. This is an insane amount of ear tips, obviously, and way more than most people would need, but I appreciate One More's commitment to offering the perfect fit for just about anyone's ear. To keep all those ear tips organized, you also get a really nice leather hardshell carrying case that fits the earbuds and all the accessories that come with them. And again, every once in a while you might see a company include a little drawstring baggie, but One More goes above and beyond with an even nicer carrying case for everything, which is great. The last couple of things included here are a double prong airline adapter, which is not something I've seen offered by any other pair of earbuds I've had, and the usual collection of paperwork and instructions. Now, here are the earbuds themselves, and right away you'll notice we have a lot going on here. Obviously, these aren't your standard $20 earphones. These have an all-metal design with a high-quality feel and good weight to them too. They look premium, they feel premium, and actually, if the gold color isn't your thing, you can get them in silver instead, which might be a bit more subtle. These have that L-shaped aux jack, which I realize isn't always the best option, but I can live with it. It doesn't personally get in the way with how I use the earbuds. Obviously though, you're limited to using a dongle if the device you have dropped the headphone jack, but One More has a similar pair of these earphones with an Apple Lightning connector instead, so you could at least have that option too if you don't want to mess around with any adapters. The cable on these earphones is a thick braided Kevlar material from where the earphones converge into one single wire, and you have inline controls and a mic as well, so nothing at all lacking here as far as the features. The earphones are pretty small with a very standard shape, so they should work well with just about everyone. They're angled in just a bit in order to get a better fit in your ear, and like I mentioned, the rubber ear tips are easily replaceable, so you can swap them on and off to find ones that work best for you. I actually found that the pre-installed rubber ear tips fit perfectly for my ear, but that won't necessarily be the case for everyone though, and while the rubber ones fit just fine, I personally still prefer the foam tips. Those offer an even tighter fit for me that blocks out the noise a bit more and just fills my ear canal a bit more overall for a better listening experience. So let's talk about what makes these earbuds particularly special. These are triple driver earphones. They have 2 balanced armatures and a separate dynamic driver, which altogether produce an incredibly well-balanced and very accurate sound. There's great separation, a ton of detail, and overall they offer a broad soundstage that leads to a listening experience that's noticeably better than a vast majority of other in-ear earphones at this price point. There's punchy bass that isn't overstated, crisp vocals, and overall a sound profile that sounds great no matter what genre of music you're listening to. Now, I definitely don't want to overstate how these earphones sound. Obviously, you are going to find some high-end audiophile earbuds that are probably better at a much higher price, but for under $100, these are easily the best earphones I've had the chance to try out, and I'd argue that these are probably going to rival any $200 earbuds as well. One More isn't necessarily a brand that I've been familiar with in the past, but these earbuds have definitely caught my attention, and I can definitely see why they've been so popular over the last year or so. And like I mentioned, One More actually has a pretty diverse product line of earphones and over-ear headphones too, all with great ratings and a solid fan base who seem to love the product. I think I might need to even try One More's quad driver earphones next in order to compare, because those seem to be even better. But for now, hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick review. Let me know what you think of One More's triple driver earphones in the comments down below, and also let me know what your favorite pair of earbuds is as well. Also, be sure to follow Tech Daily on Twitter and subscribe to the Tech Daily YouTube channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys later.